Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and I'm JohnAvanti, and in this video we're going to do a little upgrade on the boat. And let me see if I can find the part. Oh, here it is. So basically what I'm going to do is install one of these knobs that I purchased on Amazon. Now this was pretty inexpensive because the knob itself is plastic, and this is called a hypersonic, and there's a link in my description that you can hit and go to Amazon and purchase things under my account, and I get a small commission. And basically it comes with everything you need to install it. So you get an Allen wrench, 3 screws. In case you lose one, they give you 3. So this only takes 2 screws. You get a rubber piece that goes around the helm so you get a better grip. So you get 2 different sizes. You get a smaller size, a bigger size, and here's the back plate. But the back plate is I believe stainless steel. I'm not sure how good of quality it is. Would have been better if it was aluminum, because aluminum doesn't rot. And that's what it looks. Oh my gosh! That's what it looks like. I also bought this. This is a prop bolt remover on Amazon. So you need this on the boat, because I'm going to try to get a new prop for the boat. And in case you spin your prop, meaning that it does, like, you can go at low speed, but you can't go at high speed because the hub inside the prop is spinning, and there's like a piece of rubber, and that prevents, if you hit any obstacles, from destroying your lower unit. So you can get in the water if you can, and just take the old prop off and put a new prop on, and you'll be able to get home if you're really far away. So this is another good thing to have on the boat. I'm also going to put on the boat like fins, snorkel, goggles, everything you need for the boat. Hold on, let me get my dog. Come on. You know, he's funny. Like, he wants to come on the boat. I go get him, and then he runs away. So you need certain safety things. Like, you need a first aid kit. Hold on. He wants... What? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. So you need a first aid kit and stuff like that. But so what we're going to do now is we're going to install the knob. All right, so the first step is to make sure that you have the right rubber piece. Now this has a name on it, so I'm going to put it the opposite. And I think the smaller one is the one that's going to be for my boat, because this is way too big. But you could take any of these and cut them down to size if you needed to. So I have all my tools. So we're going to put this on first, like this. So what we're going to do is, first we're going to straighten out the motor. To make sure the motor is straight. Okay, so that's what you want. So that's at the straight position. I could always adjust it later on. So this is going to go in the back like that. It's going to go right on here. And yeah, pretty easy job. A child can do it. So let's see if this is correct. Okay, so I think I'm going to need the bigger one. Let's see. We may have to wrap it. Oh, this may be too big. Okay. Wrap it around a couple of times. So I got that in there. All right, so let's see. Guess I'll put it right there. Okay. It's going to go on like that. That's going to go on in the back. Now maybe a little black tape may work. I think I have some here somewhere. Nope. Oh, maybe in here. Okay, so I have some black tape. So I'm going to just take a strip like that and put this back on here like that. Wrap this around. Let me take this off so there's more room for me to work. Yep, he's back. All right, so now at least it's being held on, but it's not the way I like it. I want to make it a little tighter. Now, I've never done this before, so I guess you want to make this rubber piece as tight as possible. So that's good. So that's on pretty tight. Now I think I could put the back part on and this part, but it still seems like it's not holding. Where's the other piece? The other rubber, here it is. So maybe we're gonna need two of them. All right, so as long as it's, let's see if two is gonna make it hold it. Yeah, it still seems like there's a lot of room, a lot of play in there. Wow. So this might be too big for the unit. I mean, I'm not gonna fill it with tape. I don't have any other rubber to put on it. I have this. This might work. Oh, actually, I have this. This is Scotch mount that I use to mount this GPS screen. So let's put a strip of Scotch mount around it. And then what that's going to do is it's going to make it grip. This is like real grippy. So I guess we could just, I mean, it doesn't matter. I could always send it back to Amazon. That's what's good about it. You could always just send everything back. And, you know, that's why you're a Prime member. You know, you're paying good money to be a Prime member. So we're just going to cut a piece off. There we go. Take this out. And we could actually just put it on like this, just to see if it fits. Make it tighter. No? Wow. Wow. Maybe another piece. This is maybe okay. Now if I put this rubber piece on, that might work. So this if I take the tape off of this will stick on it. So we're just gonna, I'm just fitting it to see if it fits. Seems a little better. Okay, so let's remove the plastic off of here. Throw that away. And then put this, stick it on the back. Actually, I should have put a piece on here to prevent this from slipping. Maybe that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to remove this. Remove the old. Remove this one. All right, I won't even need the tape anymore. So that's the center. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a little strip of the sticky tape. And peel that off. All right, so this is what I would do. I mean, if you can get this is great stuff. So you just wrap it around like that. Okay, so that's on. Let's So now I can take this part and wrap this around. It's going to stick. Hey, look at that. So now this is going to really hold it tight. So I can put that on there. And I could take another little tiny piece of sticky. This was like 10 bucks. This is great stuff. And it comes right off if you ever have to take it off. So I peeled it. It's a little pain to peel it, but peeling it. So that's on. So I'll just put that in here like that. Now I can pull this tight. So that's not going to move at all. So now I'm going to test it, see if it fits. Maybe it does. Let's see. Maybe it's thick enough. No, it's not thick enough. Okay. So we're going to need another piece. So I'll get another little sticky piece. This is what's on here. This thing is like, this thing does not come off. Once this thing sticks, it sticks and it comes right off. It's not like it's permanently sticky. It's not permanently sticky and it'll leave a residue. I mean, you don't really want to get your hands all over it. Oh, this is not... All right, I mean, I think I could just... Well, I want it to stick. Come on. There we go. A lot of people come in here sightseeing. So I guess I can just put it on the bottom like that. And it's stuck. And then flip it around. Now that's all stuck together. So now if I put that on and I put that, I think it looks good. There's a lot of space. And hopefully it'll pull tight. So that's on there. So now I'm just going to take one of the screws and put a screw on. And then if it looks, you could always trim it a little bit. So I guess you're going to start it like this. Yeah, a little thing like this turns into a huge project. Yeah, so you got to be pretty good. These screws seem like aluminum. They're very lightweight. So looks like they screw from the back. That's weird. Okay, so it screws from the back. Okay, that's how it works. So this thing, let me move this out of the way a little bit. All right, now I have a little more room. All right, so that's on. Give it a couple of twists with the provided Allen wrench. All right, so the main thing is that it's on, and now I got to pull it tight. So let me get the bottom one. Oh, the bottom one seems like it's going to be a tough one. So as long as you find the hole. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, this is going to be really tough. so it's going, all right, screwing right in, no problem. That's what I want. Yeah, so it's working. It's pulling it tight. There it goes. You got to use both hands. Okay, so that's getting tight, so I'm going to tighten the top part. I want to pull it all the way in. So that's tight. So let me just gotta finish the back part. Oop. I mean, it's on tight already. I can't see anything. It's all being done by feel. Oh, okay. So if you roll the wheel down, you can see that. All right, there it goes. So now I have more room down here, much easier. All right, so it's tight. Yeah, so it seems like it's on pretty good. There you go. So now you can turn like this. Just very, very simple. That's not too bad. Yeah, so there it is. The hypersonic steering knob. Now you can put this on a truck, on anything. Now this part here, you could just, I guess, trim this off with a razor blade. But putting this tape, this double sticky tape, really made this job a lot easier, because you're able to hold the, it's going to hold. It's just going to hold. There's nothing, because any like moisture here probably, or any oil from your hands is going to make this slip. But I think with the tape on the bottom and all that tape, this is not going to move, because you can see it here. I mean, this is on tight. This stuff really works. I got some here. This is probably going to get all dirty. I'm going to cut that off, and it'll look nice. And I bought this screen on Marketplace for like 180 bucks. I'm waiting to get the map. And I'll have GPS, and this is the fish finder. That's my radio, and I'm going to use this for navigation as well, with like an online app, and I should be good to go. You know, there's the radio, and I'll do a full review of the boat once it's all ready and nice. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching the video. If you need anything on Amazon, just check the link in the description below, and I get a small commission, and it helps out the channel. Thank you, peace out, and God bless you.